This assessment asks us what functional groups are present in a molecule with a formula C4H10O and the following IR spectrum. A formula with C4H10O has an index of hydrogen deficiency of 0. That's one of the first things you should calculate. And with an IHD of 0, that tells me that there's no pi bonds and no rings in this molecule. In terms of oxygen, that automatically rules out carbonyls, aldehydes, ketones, and those types of functional groups. And I also don't see any stretch at 1700 in the IR, so that also tells me there's no carbonyl. Other functional groups with oxygen in them could be an alcohol, but I don't see the characteristic alcohol stretch around 3300. I do see a CO sigma bond stretch at 1150, so the only real functional group that has an index of hydrogen deficiency of 0 and has an oxygen in it with a CO stretch at 1150 would be an ether. The only functional group possible for this formula with this IR would be an ether functional group.